welcome to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys a second Walgreens haul. Be prepared, I will probably do a third one because the store I went to, my normal store that I went to, they didn't have, I wanted to do the Crest deal. I really wanted to do the Crest deal, but my store didn't have any Crest mouthwash. It was all gone, and I'm just like, okay, don't know what to do on that, so I'm going to try another location to show you guys that deal. I wanted to do the Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Pebbles deal again, but I didn't because there is a new Ibotta bonus. I think that starts on Thursday, so I wanted to hit that deal. So that's why I didn't do a couple Ibotta deals, because I'm going back to do those and I want to get them with the bonuses, because I've already finished level 4. I just finished both levels, and hopefully you guys can too. So here is my Walgreens haul. I forgot to bring my reusable bags with me, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. It's kind of a small haul, but a lot of them are awesome coupons. So I did the soft soap deal again. I love having hand soap. So these are $2.99. It's buy one, get one 50% off. So you guys would get one for $2.99 and what, $1.49? You guys want to buy 4 of them, okay? So you guys buy 4 of them, and you guys want to use 4 75-cent off coupons. They're in this past Sunday's Smart Source. Otherwise, you guys were able to print some off on coupons.com. So 4 of them. You guys would end up paying just $5.97 for this, but then you guys will get 4,000 points back, making these just $1.97 or 49 cents a piece, which I think for hand soap, that is an awesome deal. And these are pretty much the bigger sizes, and I really like these smells. Like I have a lot of the other ones, but I really like these smells, so I didn't want to pass this up, and the stores have tons of these because it's a brand new scent. So for 49 cents a bottle, I think that's a great deal. This deal you guys can pay with points, so I ended up paying with points and I got points back. So I wanted to show you guys that deal. The next deal I got is the L'Oreal cleanser. Now you guys want to use two $2 off coupons from coupons.com. So these are on sale for buy one get one 50% off. So they're $6.79 and $3.39 for both of these. You guys also want to check, my store didn't even have these marked correctly. They had a totally wrong product on it, but I just lifted up the flap and I saw that it was that price. So these are $6.79 and $3.39 for buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 of those $2 off coupons. Plus you guys want to use a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will end up paying just $2.18 for this, for 2 of them, which is a pretty good deal, or $1.09. So couldn't pass that deal up. The whole blends deal because those coupons are only good for like 2 weeks, and I don't think there's hardly any good deals next week for the whole blend, so I decided to stock up on whole blends at Walgreens because I can, and I have a lot of people who love taking these from me. So these are 2 for $7, so $3.50 a piece. You guys want to use 4, or you guys can buy 2, but you guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons. Plus, you guys will also want to have them scan the booklet for $1 off. You guys will end up, I forgot what I was going to say. What was I going to say? You guys will end up paying just 50 cents for for each. So that comes out to be $1 for 2 of them. I think that's a great deal. As you guys know, I get an employee discount, so these become free. So that's why I love stocking up on whole blends. So I did that deal. So that was one transaction. The first transaction, it came to $5.15. I ended up paying with points. I paid $5 worth of points, so I didn't have to pay hardly anything out of pocket. Just tax, but I don't include tax because everybody has different tax. I am out of breath because I just had to run upstairs, but you guys will get 4,000 points for the soap. So that came out to be $1.15 for that transaction. My second transaction, I ended up doing the soft soap deal again. Those coupons don't last very long. I think they expire the 7th, and I wanted to use mine up. So I have no more soft soap coupons, which is fine with me. I love this stuff. I love soft soap. I just love it. So I got more of the soap, and then I did the Whole Blends deal again because I love it. I just love it. This is the month that I've been using my Whole Blends. So I did the Whole Blends thing again. So those were the only items that I bought in that transaction. So it came to $4.50. I again paid with tax and everything. I think I paid like 15 cents out of pocket for that whole thing, but I don't include tax, so it came to $4.50. I ended up paying with points, but then I got those points back. I got 4,000 points back, so that just became 50 cents for that transaction. If you add everything together, it came to $1.65. I got 18 items for just 9 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal. I'm really excited to use more cleansing. I've been starting to do more stuff with my face. I'm like in my mid-30s. I'm going to be 35 soon. And I'm like, I need to start doing stuff to my face. And why not? You know, that's the first thing I'm going to take care of is start lifting my face. But I've been using a couple different products, and I did take a picture when I started using it. I just got to do a comparison, but I will probably do that later on after I've been using the products for a little bit, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But yeah, not much else going on. This was a very small haul, but like I said, I am going to show you guys more deals later on this week when Ibotta has the third bonus, because I want to get that, so I'm just letting you guys know on that. But you guys know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more Walgreens hauls, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye!